Hey, what's up, family? Here we are, Tesla Model 3. How much room does a stroller take up in the trunk? Yo, that's most of the trunk. That's not what I was hoping for. I'm trying to use this for a road trip today. That's not good. Now, I know some of you are going to say, but you don't have to use that stroller. Okay, but it's the stroller I own. So, ooh, that's like 50% of the trunk or more. So we'll have to see like where the luggage goes and all of that stuff. But so far, not super impressed with that. I'm glad to have this though. That's going to help for sure. But man, this is going to be a tight fit. And I don't think the frunk is going to be big enough for that stroller either. So we'll see what happens. I'll check back in a minute. Hey everybody, it's me from the future. I know, this is very exciting. I mean, I haven't invented time travel, but it's me from the future. I've already taken the trip in the Tesla Model 3. I've already shaved. You'll see all of that. I just kind of wanted to like add a little disclaimer to this up front. Like as I was shooting the video, I was like super in a hurry. I wanted to get out of town. I wanted to get packed up. So I was a little disappointed at first, like with the amount of like, I think the dimensions of the usable space in the Model 3, it's not a big car, okay? Like, let's just be honest. Like, if you're looking for something for a family trip, the Model 3 is probably not what you want to go with. Like, the Model Y is a much usable car all the way around. However, I'm a sedan guy. I like cars better than SUVs. So the Model 3 is more my jam than a Model Y, and also the price difference is crazy. So I just kind of wanted to put a little disclaimer at the top. Like, I do realize what this car is good at, and this is not where it excels. However, all of that being said, and you'll see my disappointment and kind of my frustrations, you know, as you live with a car, you learn how to pack it better. I had only had the car like an hour and I was just trying to figure it all out as I went. So there were some things that like I definitely could have done better, stuff I could have put in a little bit different. But all in all, I will say, even though like the trunk opening isn't very big, even though the back seat space isn't huge, even though the frunk isn't huge, man, I packed a bunch of stuff into this car. Like it held a bunch of stuff. So
I'm having trouble hearing you. Sorry, could you say that again?
I wasn't talking to you. Anyway, as I was saying, we fit a bunch of stuff in this little car. Like when we finally unloaded, when we got back from our trip, my wife and I both looked at the mountain of stuff and we're like, that all went in that little car? That's crazy. So pretty amazing, but you'll see my journey. You just have to be clever and you have to know how to work with the space you've got. Okay, back to the video. Well, a Tesla Model 3 hold a stroller in the frunk. Stroller? No. We've reached the part of the video where I'm going to make a lot of the internet angry. Deal with it. All right. You see we got the suitcase in there? One suitcase. I've got one stroller. So, will this all fit? This trunk opening is so small. It looks big on camera, but it's not big in person. And now I know this stroller sucks. I admit that. But it's the stroller that we own. You know, I rented this car. There we go. So that's how it fits in, at least in this configuration. Of course, now I've kind of blocked this cubby, which I'm definitely going to need. I've got this down here. That's helpful. But I still need to fit a pack and play. I still need to fit a duffel bag. Hopefully a duffel bag will just go up here. Pack and play hopefully will fit right here. I have a briefcase and lots of other odds and ends. Let's see what we got. What we've got in the frunk. So there you go. Briefcase, suitcase, stroller, Ergo baby. So let's get some trunk close action. Except trunk won't close. As Whistling Diesel says, I gotta lie, I'm really impressed. Okay, I moved my briefcase. Again, I know I'm bringing the hate. Come at me, I don't care. All right. And don't get me wrong, I like this car. I think it's super cool. It's super fun to drive. But man, as a road trip car, I don't know, dude. It's got my pillows, my pillow pet. You know what's up. Got some plates. So if you buy some plates, this is a stack of 100. You don't have that much more room in the frunk than that. Now, granted, without the frunk, I don't know what we would do on this trip. So glad to have it. Situation inside the car. Here's the sit rep. Got the cooler like wedged in here. Got some bottles of water there. I mean, there's just not a lot of room in this car, family. Got to be honest. It's small. I think if you want something big for the family and for road trips, Model Y is going to be the jam. It's just, are you okay with how it looks? And are you okay with the price? That's tough. Anyway, I'll check back later. Okay, family, here we go. It's 97 degrees. That's why I look a little. So, situation report. Front. See, we got the Huggies, whatever they are. Got the Bevo. Got the shoes. Got the plates. Pillows. So that's all. It's all cool. Got that shut. Moving around to the back of the car. We got her loaded. As you saw down under the trunk, I've got my instrument case. Got my full-size suitcase, laptop bag, duffel bag, miscellaneous bag. Back in there, I don't know if you can see, you got the pack and play, and then of course the full-size stroller, and then a monkey just to be sure. Didn't fit well, didn't fit easy, but it's in. I may have to assist the trunk. Yeah, they close this, we're good. Moving around to the back seat. Got my adorable daughter. And down here, did some waters and some various, food things. We got the diaper bag in the middle there. There somewhere. Got the cooler. We got some other miscellaneous stuff on the floor. And moving around to the front. Try to leave everything, I think, pretty neat and tidy so that way we can fit everything. So, there you have it. There you have it. Me again from the future. We had a great trip. It was awesome. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I've got more videos from our trip with the Tesla Model 3 and a bunch of other cool stuff coming your way. So please do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. And I will see you very soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.